going to learn the name of some objects we use when we're cleaning, cuando estamos limpiando, de limpieza, when we're cleaning. Okay, first of all, this is a broom which we use to sweep the floor. Okay, barrer el suelo es to sweep the floor with a broom. Okay, now when we use water or liquid, okay, then we mop the floor with a mop, and this is a bucket. Okay, we use a mop, usamos una fregona, and a bucket, un cubo, okay, a bucket, to mop the floor or to wash the floor. We can say both. Okay, now this, if we need water, we open the tap. A tap is un grifo that we open, okay, to wash the to use water, to get water. Okay, everything that is dirty goes into the rubbish bin. Okay, the rubbish bin. Good, el cubo de basura, the rubbish bin. The dustpan. Okay, this is the dustpan. Okay, and this is when we have to clean the table or something, we use a cleaning cloth. A cleaning cloth, okay? And this is a sponge, like SpongeBob, okay? A sponge or a sponge scourer. Con esto que tenemos encima, okay? A sponge scourer, okay? And to wash our clothes, we put everything into the washing machine. The washing machine. Y así hemos aprendido vocabulario de limpieza, cleaning vocabulary. And if you want more, there is more. Watch another video on furniture and objects. Okay.